like I said, you get to a point in time where if you do this business long enough, you learn how to navigate on how to do clothes and how to do stuff. Because even if I charge something, I at least make $3 to $5 profit on each one. And if I can turn that light off in there, at least if I make $3 to $5 profit on something, it's better than nothing at all. And I like my money to make money. That's one thing I do like. I like my money to make money. Excuse the French, we turn the lights off. I'm going in where the AC is at. All right, I'm in AC land. Oh, let me turn the light on here for a second. So that was my, for now, my update video to kind of show you, this business, you could do it for the rest of your life. My next step is to go ahead and just buy a house, have me a detail and a laundry business in my house or my basement or whatever, and just run it until I can't run it anymore. Because I got a couple of things I want to do, like a chicken wing thing. It's a couple things I really want to do, I want to get into. All right, guys, once again, I hope you guys are making money. Don't stop. Keep making it. Even when you have problems, you stop. Try to make that money, because the money is still there. Some of my customers are mad because I can't still do the work, because I do real great customer service and I take care of their services. But some of them I just say, hey, I just had to let go because I can't do that much clothes at once, and even through the week I couldn't maintain it all. If I had got this lady I wanted and opened the place up, I would have actually grew bigger. But for right now, just because you can't do something doesn't mean it's over. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Be well and be looking for my just life lessons series. I'm probably gonna do like a 20-part one just talking about life and what I've learned up to almost 50 years old now, and I hope it helps someone. Take care, guys. So forgive the place, we just moved here. There's my illustrious wife over there looking at TV. YouTube land doesn't like you. This is the only spot I have to work with, which what I do is I bring my ironing board out right there and just use my presses there and have one small dryer there. And this is the area. And it's still not all together where I want it, because I have stuff I need to take downstairs. Now, let's walk through here. The kitchen, forgive the play, like I said, it's a mess because I just moved here. This is the washer that I use. I bought this from my buddy, and he sold this to me for like, I think, $100. These hire washers are gold if you don't have a big washer. You can hook these up and move them to the side. They're the best in the world. But for right now, I'm just washing my little clothes, and the rest I usually just take to the laundromat. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Will from Your Home Ironing Business, or Dapper. Hey, it's been a while since I've been able to do a video because I had so many things happen at one time. The building I lived in sold, so they gave us like 30 days to get out of there. Didn't even matter if you paid rent or you was on time. They going to turn them into condominiums, and they sold the building. We're out of here. This pandemic has hit people in so many different ways, and believe it or not, it'll just keep hitting us. So I kind of wanted to make an update video. I still do the business, but I have a smaller space to work with. If you hear that buzzing noise in the background, I'm actually washing some of my clothes in my little compact washer. I can no longer use my large washer to where I went to, so now I actually go to the laundromat and do it. So the next time I do a video, I'm gonna do one of how I do it through the laundromat instead of using the house, because I'm living in a 2-family house and I can't use the water like that because it'll use too much water. I was getting away like a bandit at that apartment. I know I was, but now I'm not. So I hope you guys are out there still making money. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been able to do an update video because I've been so busy moving and things have been happening. I had to go backwards, forwards, do a bunch of other stuff, and just keep maintaining. Now, the one thing I can put out is I still have customers. And I just kind of slowed down on a lot of customers. Instead of 60 customers, I probably have about 6 or 7, because these are people that I do something for at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. So these are just people I keep doing work for on a constant basis. I'm going to change my whole video format up to kind of life lessons. I think it's time for me to do one, because I see a lot of videos on gurus talking how to do things, and it's cool, but I want to do one on kind of being a Sigma male, and I'll go into more about what a Sigma male is, because I'm not an alpha or beta, I'm a Sigma. I'm a lone wolf, always have been. So I think my next video, in the next couple of days, I'm gonna start putting 2 or 3 videos up a week on just life and living and making money and trying to maintain your sanity in this world. Because like I said, the pandemic, I knew it was gonna hit me somewhere, which it did in the pockets at first on my job, and then it was like I was able to maintain for a while. But when I saw the houses in the building down the street selling, and becoming, these were derelict, nasty buildings, and now they were shit traps. Now they selling for $200,000-$300,000 as condominiums. I knew they was coming up the street after me. When I started checking the prices of the land around there, I knew they were coming after that building sooner or later, and they did. They gave us 30 days. Now, mind you, 30 days is not long when you know where you're going, but when you don't know where you're going, that's long. And they were threatening you with eviction if you didn't leave, and your deposit. So people got out of there. I got out of there. A couple of people got out of there, and everybody's gone now. I'll put some more videos up. Like I said, I hope you're out there still making money, maintaining, doing your 3%, making your cash, and keep it rolling. I can't wait to start doing the new life lessons. I don't know, I'm gonna figure a name out for it, and then I'm gonna start putting videos up on that. So for now, just want to get an update. My area I had was gone. I was not able to get my shop, so I don't have that. So what I'm doing now is I still work at home. I have a small space I work with. And once you start this business, you'll always be able to have a small place to work with, and not even just a small spot to work in. You'll know how to navigate. And I'll probably one day do a video when I'm doing taking somebody's stuff to the laundromat, cleaning it, and to work, and then showing you what I do. It's always good to make some extra money. All right, guys, hope you guys are well. And remember my saying, adjust your hustle, bet on you. Take care, guys. Till then, more videos will be coming.